Well, hello everybody, it's Lena here. Hope you are doing well today. I hope everyone is blessed and having a fantastic day. I know all the kids will be getting out of school soon, so that'll be fun. It'll be time for vacations and swimming pools and all kinds of stuff. Well, this is the second part of the pendants that I made, and I was hoping that to finish it up and show you how to put the earring backs on them. Right now I'm putting an O-ring on them, and then I'm going to put an ear hoop on it. Make sure it's facing back, and you'll want to take your tools and just kind of twist a little bit. Not real bad, but just kind of twist it back and forth a little bit, and it'll click. You can hear it almost go together, and then you have an earring. It's wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. They're so much fun. It's so relaxing to make them. I'm still taking care of my friend who got hurt. They figured out that she broke her ankles standing up. Yeah, she was standing up. And so she's still in a lot of pain. Lots of pain. That's just, I don't know. Y'all just keep her in your prayers. Her name is Deada. I try to stay busy. I love doing crafts. I love doing these vendor events, even though I've only done 2. And can't wait for the next one. I'm gonna see if I can contact some churches and stuff and see if I can set up a booth. Maybe somebody would want to buy things. You know, and I've been invited to a couple of Christmases in July. And then I have another one in close to November, some Christmas ones to do. Let's see what else. I like to work in the garden. I do a lot of planting. I do canning. Let's see, what else do I do? I am a craft hoarder. I got so much little things, you know. But I always come up with these ideas, and then I see other things. I'm going to try that Risencrete again. But this time when I do it, I'm going to make sure that it has a thicker mold. I'm not going to do anything thin. I learned from that mistake. And I need some pigments, not powders or mica powders or inks, because they don't show up. But I need to get some pigment colors to mix in with it and change colors. I have several little like dish things or bowls I could make. I think that would be fun. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I do have 3 dogs and 2 cats and some chickens. Oh, and I have 2 turtles. Yeah, and I love to garden. I need to get out there and weed my garden a little bit. And we're supposed to get some thunderstorms in tomorrow sometime. I know I'm ranting because I don't know what to say. I do have some things in my description box, and if you'd like to buy me a coffee, you can. And I have a wish list of things that I would like to get someday. And let's see, what else? Don't feel obligated. If you want to, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. I just like you being here and enjoying my videos. I have reached out and gotten 55 subscribers as of today. And today is the 18th of May that I made this video. And it's going to come out on the 22nd of May, which is Monday, I believe. And so hit that subscribe button. It didn't cost you anything. It helps me to get closer to my goal of 1,000 people. And then I'm going to do a giveaway. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I'm going to do a giveaway. I'll do, I can make something, or a necklace, or some jewelry, or I can make some coasters or mold. Let me know what you would like me to give away. And, but I got to get to 1,000 people. 1,000, come on, I know you can do it. There's so many people out there that have watched my videos. I mean, I'm over 1,000 people that watched, but they're not hitting that click, they're not hitting that subscribe button. And if I could get all those people to hit the subscribe button, I'd already be over 1,000 people. I am not kidding you. I've had so many views and so many people watch the videos, and it sure would help me emotionally, you supporting me like this. Yeah, I have my my dogs, and I have my chickens, and I have a few friends, but all my kids live far away, and I'm hoping that someday when I'm not around anymore, my grandkids will be able to take these videos and hear my voice and know how much I love them and how much I appreciate them and love their yaya and see the things that I made. A lot of this stuff I give to them. They just love it. They just love it. My 6-year-old granddaughter told me she did not know I was this gifted. I just laughed. I was like, where did you learn to talk like that? But I have 3 granddaughters. Oh no, 2 granddaughters. I'm sorry. I have 2 granddaughters, and I have 3 grandsons. And they average from about 8 down to
I do
2.
I do it.
So, Haley, Eleanor, Luke, Caleb, and Ripley. If you're watching this, Yaya loves you.
Wonder how laying in my bed would be.
So, but I try to see them as often as I can. My oldest grandson, Caleb, will probably come up and spend 2 weeks with me, and we'll get to hang out and go do some things, and maybe go to the lake and go swimming. I don't know. We'll go do it. Well, we will go fishing because he likes to go fishing. And I'm almost done putting these together. You'll see here, one of them's giving me a little trouble. I had one that I got a little resin in the hoop part where I had to actually go and put the drill the hole out. But the beads that you see there, the string of beads, I found those at Michael's for $2 a strand. I was so tickled. They're so pretty. And I try to pick stuff up when it's on clearance like that. I don't try to buy anything, you know. Sometimes Hobby Lobby has theirs on clearance too. And then there's this box at Walmart that you can usually find some beads and things in for like 99 cents or less. I got some wire for wire wrapping not too long ago with that. Do a lot of wire wrap jewelry, and I can show you how to do that too. Yeah, I'm always in the need for resin, but I need to find some pigment, some liquid pigments, not inks. And I don't know what to use. I don't know what kind to get. I've used some acrylic paint. That works sometimes. But if y'all have any suggestions, let me know. I could use some help and advice on that. let me know where you're at. Let me know what state you're in, what city, what country. I want to know. I want to see how far I'm reaching out to everybody. I want to see how far I can bless people with my videos and my how-tos, and that would be an awesome thing to know. Coming up here, one more, and then I can finish the pendants, and then after I get a few pendants ready to go, I'll sit down and make some jewelry and put them on chains. And if you have any advice on making jewelry, because I've only been doing this for a little while, not very long, and I'm still learning. I mean, I didn't know there were that many types of beads and little gizmo things, and all the way they talk about their names, and it's hard to keep up with. It's so hard to figure out what they're talking about. Okay, so I got all those done, and now I'm gonna work on my pendants here. I have the little sailboat and then the Alice in Wonderland pendant that I was working on. I'm gonna put O-rings on them for right now. And when I get done with that, I'm just moving things out of my way here because I have this little earring stand that I'm gonna bring over that I put together. I got it from Temu. Temu is probably about, I think it was under $7, and I got that, and I'm gonna put all these earrings on it here in a minute. It's really nice. The only thing I didn't like about it was it kept falling apart on me, so I whipped out the E600 and glued it.
It's okay. He's okay.
And
I
that
got
was
the sound
nice.
off.
It was.
I'm gonna.
Now it's not going apart. I really need a hot glue gun though. I want to make some what are those things called? I just thought of them too. For the resin. Why am I just brain dead today? I don't know, but I need to get a glue gun so I can do it. And I've gotten some patterns that I think I can put the silicone on and make the little rubber things to make designs and things like that. Kind of like a stamp, but I make my own. But I have to get a good glue gun, because the glue gun that I have, it'd take me for a year to get enough glue around it. It's one of them little itty bitty tiny things. But, and see, I'm hanging the earrings on there. I might order me another one. So if this one is for my business, I have to get me one for my room. Put my jewelry on it. One of the backs, one of the ear hooks came off of one, and I had to fix it. The little guy babysit was up at 4 o'clock this morning. Brody was, and I haven't even fed him lunch yet. And he was sitting in my lap, and the next thing I know, he just was out, and he's still asleep. And it's almost 2 o'clock. I don't know if I should wake him up, try to get him to eat or what, but he had a big breakfast, but he's been up. He got up early. What I'm doing is kind of squeezing the back so that they don't fall off. kind of holds them in place. There goes my Sadie barking. There we go. Almost done here, almost done. I know you're getting tired of listening to my voice, so please hit that like button and subscribe button and the comment. I'd love to hear from you, especially know where you're at and what kind of crafts you like to make. What do y'all like, kind of hobbies you have to do? I feel like I'm just making friends all over the place right now, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.